back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to finish the Rain song. All right, so you got your pointer finger, you're going to bar it on the 7th fret, so you're going to have this open A string, the rest are going to be barred, and then you're going to have your ring finger on the 9th fret. Take your ring finger off. Do the same thing right here. And then you're going to throw your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string. And then your pinky as well on the 7th fret, but it's going to be on the bottom E. And then you got those jazz chords that you already know. That's in this part. So you got this jazz chord right here, which is a 7, major 7, sorry. And you take your pinky off. I told you before to do it like this, but you might as well do it with these 2 fingers because you're going to be doing the same shape of chord and sometimes you need a gap. All right, so there you go. Take your pinky off. And then we got the minor 7, which you already know. Go scoot it back up to the major. Going to be a minor this time, which you already know this chord. Then you're going to scoot that one up a whole step, but it's going to be major, so there's no gap. And then you're going to scoot that up half step, and it's going to be minor. There you go, with the gap. And then you're going to scoot that up a whole step with the minor 7 is also a gap. Now he just goes, but you might as well just do the whole chord. You got ring finger on the 7th fret on the D string, middle finger there, pointer finger there. It's a very simple staircase type of shape, and you just go all the way down, and then go back up, and then down. And you do that twice. Pluck the D string with the E string, and you do a pull off. And then you got the staircase. And then you do the same exact thing you just did, but right here, and you pull this off, and then hit the same strings you did. And then you're going to do the same thing you did before, except you're going to start right here. So it goes, I think. It's very strange, so it goes. Middle finger on the A string on the 5th fret, and you got the 5th fret right there on the B string. And you just go down, but you skip the D. And then slide it down a half step. And then slide it down a whole step. And this time you go. And then you end with an A major shape of a chord. Very, very strange.